Yoga flow to improve knee stability. This practice is designed to strengthen and improve joint mobility and manage chronic knee pain or prevent future issues. Inhale, exhale to Utkatasana, chair pose. Inhale, toes up to awkward pose. Exhale, flying lunge. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale to Utthita Parsvakonasana, extended side angle. Exhale to Badda virabhadrasana, humble warrior pose, and relax in Tadasana. Repeat this flow for 5 times on both the sides. Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy.